tie downs. Usually they're used for tie downs, but I want to talk about how we can use them unconventionally, or how they're a great tool for just for whatever we need it for. Okay, so what we're talking about right now are ratchet straps or straps, tie downs. Usually they're used for tie downs, but I want to talk about how we can use them unconventionally, or how they're a great tool for just for whatever we need it for. What we have right here, here's one example, is we have a jack on this trailer that was bent. We don't have any weight on it, right? Or we have weight on it right now, but what we did, it was leaning on us. So we want to get a weld around here, but we want it straight. We want the weld to be straight. So what we did is I utilized this ratchet strap to straighten it. So I got hooked here. We got it hooked here, something solid, wrapped it around high so we could get it pulled back. And then we're hooked on this angle iron here, and then we're tightened down. So right there, that straightened it out for us. So again, we can get that weld on it and not have to worry about it falling or leaning. And then that's again, one use of a ratchet strap in the field, or just, if you don't have anything else to utilize to get it to where you want it. All right.